In just a few days' time, or no me, probably about 4 weeks ago, Alton Towers Resort will open for the 2025 season with not only a new ride, but many updates around the resort, which I'm going to cover in this video. Yeah, I am. And yeah, on Saturday, I'll be back at the park. Of course, Toxicator opening, making a brand new video. As much as I love doing these voiceover videos, you can't beat getting in a park and making a good vlog. Like, you just can't beat it. I love it. And going around the park, talking about all the bits and bobs that have changed. And talking of bits and bobs, there are a few bits and bobs that we need to know before Alton Towers opens. Starting with the not so positive things, and that's that the Skyride, Congo, and Hex, Congo River Rapids by the way, will remain closed until April 2025, which is a bit of a shame. You know, it's not great, but I can kind of understand Skyride and Congo, as I think Congo's been doing that for a while now. But Hex, it only opened for 1 month last season, and I was kind of hoping that I'd get back on it because I only had a few rides on it last season, so it'd be good to get back on. But yeah, we're going to have to wait till April 2025. All of those rides said they're going to be open in April 2025, so we'll just have to wait and see and get back on it in April. Gives us all a reason to go back in April, I guess. And moving on to Toxicator. I don't know why I did it in a pirate. It's not really, but anyway, moving on to Toxicator. This is the brand new ride Alton Towers for 2025, and they've released some of the merch. Yeah, here we go. We've got a bright green jumper and a black one as well, which is interesting. I really like the green one. I like the black one, but I like the green one, and it is really nice in there. Yeah, look at that. It's embroidered Toxicator logo, and on the back of it as well, you got submit to the spin. It is genuinely quite a nice design. I prefer the green one, but the black one looks nice as well. And the price of these hoodies are £50 each, which I have to say is very, very steep, but they're a very nice design. So yeah. Alton Towers have confirmed that single riders will be coming to more roller coasters. We saw this last year with Spinball and 13, I think it was, and also Smiler as well. And yeah, they're going to be introducing it to even more rides across the park, including Oblivion, Galactica, and Toxicator, the brand new ride, which means that Toxicator will have 4 queues. It'll have a fast track, disability queue, main queue, and single rider queue. God, I'm losing track of so much. But yeah, it's gonna be good for all of them rides, especially Oblivion, which always has single riders, because you got like rows of what, 8 or 9 on there. So it'll be good to get on faster. And if you're a single rider and you go on single riders, use the single rider queues a lot last season when you're in for a treat this season, because most of the roller coasters have them. And usually, I'm going to say like 95%, 99% really, that the queues are always shorter than the main queue. So yeah, it's good stuff really. Another strange thing on the app of Alton Towers is it says that Toxicator will be open from 2 till 9, which is interesting. I mean, I don't know what's going on with that. Is it for a media thing the day before, or is it actually going to be on the day? On Saturday, are we going to see 2 till 9? Actually, I think it's a pretty good idea if it's 2 till 9, because that means when you get in the park, not everyone's rushing to Toxicator. You can kind of do other things, come back for like 12-ish, 1-ish, get in the queue for Toxicator. And then, of course, it also means that we've got Alton After Dark, which is till 8, and then it gives you another hour to do Toxicator. I reckon it will probably be for the press night of Toxicator, which would make a lot of sense. But 2 till 9, I'll tell you what, it's quite a long time to ride it. But there you go. I think that's most of the updates covered from Alton Towers from the past couple of weeks. And yeah, I guess that's it really now till opening day, which is in just a few days' time. Will you be there? Let me know in the comments down below. Will you be darting straight for Toxicator, or maybe going to Smiler, Oblivion, thinking, oh yeah, I'm going to play it smart here, I'm going to go to all the roller coasters, come back at like 3 o'clock, get on Toxicator when everyone's kind of died down, and have a nice cheeky ride, late night ride on it as well. But yeah, it's exciting times. Alton Towers opening for 2025. I feel like when Alton Towers opens, that's when the season begins in the UK. Alton Towers opening, that's the start. But there you go, there's all your updates from Alton Towers. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on open day if you're going. Bye-bye.